Why did the math book look so sad?
Because it had so many problems.
Why are fish so smart? Because they live in schools.
How do you make an octopus laugh?
With tentacles. What has 2 legs but cannot walk? A pair of jeans.
How do you know when the moon has had enough to eat?
When it's full.
What did Wormwool say to the animal?
I'll meet you in the corner.
How does the scientist freshen their brain? With experiments. What did the banana say to the dog?
Nothing. Bananas can't talk.
Why didn't the skeleton go to the dance?
Because it had no body.
Why couldn't the pony sing? Because she was a little horse.
Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Because 7, 8, 9. What did one egg say to the other?
You crap.